Yes. Hello, my name is METİN Arıdaşır. This is 300th part of explanation of my theory. According to my theory and my formulas, how to destroy the ghost constants of physics, invalid constants of physics. Find structure constant alpha and elementary charge constant E are invalid. A 0.6 new unitless constant made them collapse that I put forth. Electron motion forms two-component ratio constant. Yes. The equation on the left here talks about the mass, speed, etc. on something dimensionless, unreal, that doesn't exist in real life, that has no volume. Don't forget that the electron defined in accepted physics theories as the dimensionless point particle. Of course, when you deal with dimensionless beings, you encounter ghosts, mystery, and sometimes scientified-mistic numbers as the fine structure constant. Yes, this is mystic physics. Our accepted physics is mystic physics. My equation, which you see on the right, this is accepted physics theory's equation, achieve mystic ghost fine structure alpha constant, right side my A constant, as I told you before. My equation, which you see on the right, talk about the three-dimensional electron motion form with 91.155 nanometer wavelength. Yes. Like what? Like this. Ring-shaped, spherical, intrinsic motion form of, it is not a particle. It is a wave. It is a cyclical motion form that, if it is free, produces and propagates successive, consecutive, ring-shaped, intertwined, interacted, spherical ring-shaped waves. Yes, and each point has two components, speed of light component and 6.28 times speed of light tangential speed component. This is the ratio between them, 1.6 unitless constant 10 to the minus 1. Or this. Proton, red color, circle. Proton that made joint motion in same axis with 91.155 nanometer wavelength electron motion form together. This is hydrogen. Whether bound or not, 91.155 nanometer wavelength size electron motion form is a kind of electron motion form. Remember, according to me, black holes are giant electron motion forms with different wavelengths. Okay. There are different electron motion form types with different wavelengths in our universes. They are cyclical motion forms of what? Of meta-sensation perception matter. And there is no atomos. There is no atoms, plural atoms. Atomos in Greek language, non-divisible. There is only non-divisible in our universes. This is meta-sensation perception matter, and it has its intrinsic motion forms instead of particles. This is my theory. Yes. My equation, which you see on the right, talk about the three-dimensional electron motion form with 91.6 nanometer wavelength. The equation on the left, snapshot. The equation on the left belongs to only, I'm so sorry, wait a moment please. Yes, the equation on the left, in fact, belongs to only an electron motion form with 91.155 nanometer wavelength real body. And when we add its body to this equation, the fine structure named and elementary charge named two ghosts disappear. Thus, we encounter the new constant I found again. Arıdaşır's mine two components ratio Unitless constant of an electron motion form A. How can we achieve? I achieved this result from this equation last year. This is, yes. Wait a moment. Wait a moment. In accepted physics, this is the case. Remember that equation. Dimensionless equation. Okay. Not realistic. Here. I put there, if we want, we cancel each other. There is no change. Result doesn't change. But here, look at that snapshot. I recommend you stop the video and notice this. Okay. I added here 91.155 10 to the minus 9 meter electron motion form. So here goes on snapshot, please. And I recommend you stop video on this snapshot. Notice hc divided by lambda dimension. This is 21.6 kilogram per second square joules. Yes, upside, and this one, kilogram squares per second square. Cancel out, cancel. Yes, finally, we achieve 0.16 unitless constant, my constant, 21.8, 10 to the minus 19 joules, 137 10 to the minus 19 joules divided by this. Two energies rate, two component energies rate. Okay? Here. This is result. From now on, I don't say E. From now on, I will say A. Okay. And this represents the rate of two components energies, two components speeds, etc. Like this. Don't forget, remember by the way, electron volt and in accepted physics, ground state of hydrogen energy is 21.78 10 to the minus 19 joule or 13.6 electron volt. But this is not the case. Electron volt has not unit because of elementary charge. There is no elementary charge. There is 0.6 unitless constant. So instead of electron volt, 13.6 volt is equals to 137.10 to the minus 19 joules. I don't want to confuse your mind now. But remember, 21.8 joules or 13.6 electron volts. Resembling numbers. This is the case. This side tangential velocity is 1,884,000 kilometers per second. I have computed, I have found. And this is speed of light component. Okay. I will go on next. See you later. Have a good evening.